Welcome to 95 Ringside Drive, located in the beautiful countryside outside of Dover. There are some properties that Dustin and I come across that we get really excited to show to you, and this is definitely one of them.
Especially for those horse lovers or those that love farmettes, there are so many cool features here, both inside and outside, that we can't wait to show you.
So starting inside, we are in a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, immaculate property that is completely open, sun-drenched, yet still has some of those formal living room and dining room features that a lot of people love.
The space is both great for entertaining and for housing a lot of people. We have over 4,000 square feet here, a basement, an outside barn, and just so many cool things.
Let's go take a look.
I love the inside of the house, but the outside is what really draws me in. Check out this incredible pool behind me that we have here, a hammock for relaxing and entertaining guests all around us. And then we have incredible landscaping all ready to go as soon as you move in.
Beyond the pool is the property itself, full of fruit trees, nut trees, and 2 barns, one totally open and another one fully enclosed.
As you can see, it was designed with horse stalls in mind for those horse lovers, and the current owners have converted it to be more of a workspace, so it can function in so many different ways. There are drains in each stall still. If you want to return it to its horse home, and it's also heated, and there is hot and cold water out here as well. So there's really endless use cases for this space. When you're approaching this property, the views are incredible in every direction, but this is one that you really need to see in person.
Yes, we really only got to scratch the surface today. We tried to show you the 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, first floor master, the 2 barns, the pool, the 10 acres with pastures, but truly you need to come and see this in person to fully appreciate it. Please reach out and schedule your tour today.